want it? You open it?
Okay. What is it, Wurs?
What is that?
Dark. I can't.
Curiosity is what killed the goat.
Oh, she got tape. Look, it's probably stuck to her. Come here, Wurs. You got some tape on you? No.
Hold out.
What's that, Wurs? She's trying to open it, right?
Yeah.
Is that a big bone, Wurs?
Get worse.
Oh my god. Good girl, honey. Oh, help her with that. Okay, that's good. She'll shake it off. Oh. Look at that bone, Wurs. She's like, Oh no! Get your bone! Jersey, get your bone! Let me see that big bone. Let me see that big bone. She's trying to get the bow off.
She doesn't like the bow.
I don't like the bow. Alright, you're pushing it under the couch. Let me see that big bone. Oh, wow. Let me see that big bone. Good girl, Wurs. Toss it up on the bed. I think you got it. I think you got it out of there, Wurs.
What is this?
Put it up on the bed. She'll
What is
roll
this?
around with it. Get it, Wurs. Get that big bone. Get that big bone. Oh, all right. Good girl. It's probably too heavy.